CGI, and Faye do not attempt anything seen in this video.
Sliding V8 the motor. It's your boy SRTJD back with another banger, man. As y'all see by the title of this video, the best mod that I feel like you can do to any mopar just came in, you feel me? We got the CATLESS MIDS right here, feel me, with the clamps and everything we need. And my oil catch can came in, you know what I'm saying? We got a mopar, I highly recommend this too. Definitely recommend, they do work. I done had it on both of my old scats and now we putting it on the HELLCAT. Hello? You said my HELLCAT finna sound like a jet? You said that you think it's illegal that my car gonna be that loud? You said that it's gonna shoot fire too? All right, say no more. I'm gonna call the police right now, man. We cannot have that on the HELLCAT. I have installed the J&L oil separator, which is oil catch can, but if y'all need help installing it on y'all HELLCATs, it's literally the right hose goes to the left side, the left hose goes to the right side, and they're both on right there under this green belt right there, as y'all see. Super easy to install. It took me like 5 minutes. So right now, the only thing I got done to my exhaust is a muffler delete and a mid muffler delete, or resonator, whichever one you want to call it. But we finna take the cats off. But I'm finna get y'all this before vid real quick. As y'all see, we made it to the shop, man. We got the HELLCAT over here. About to go on the lift with the CATLESS mid pipes that are right here. About to install them joints, bro. It's about to be crazy, y'all. I'm so excited. We got 2 wraps on the way for the car, y'all. So I got a wrap sponsor, and I'm doing my custom one-on-one wrap, of course. But yeah, man, stay tuned. I ain't even gonna speak on that too much. We finna put these CATLESS mid pipes on, though. Let's do it. Get back to it, man. Finna get this pipe installed, man. I'm gonna cut the camera off. It's really easy to get these pipes off though, y'all. Look, unscrew this bolt, unscrew the 2 bolts that's connected to the mid pipes, and you literally just take it off, bruh. Just that simple. And to put the pipes on, you do the same thing. So we finna install these mids so we can get the sound test. All right, YouTube, so as y'all see, we have the CATLESS mid pipes installed. We had a little hiccup with one of the screws. As y'all see, it's 2 different screws, but we good on that side, man. But yeah, we had a little hiccup right here, and it's because this screw got stuck on the bolt. So like we couldn't even get this done off of nothing. So we just switched the whole screw out. Work the same way, we good, and we're gonna tighten them up. And we're gonna crank this done up for y'all, man. We back in the game, you feel me? This is the exact same exhaust setup I had on my Scat Pack Charger. And now we got it on the HELLCAT, man. So, took a while, but I'm excited, y'all. One last look at the final product. Y'all see, we are completely straight pipe from the mufflers all the way to the cats, man. Y'all see it, so hey, it's not about to sound crazy. As y'all know, we about to be shooting flames soon. Hey man, y'all know how we do it. We do it big every time. Big hell Keezy, man. We finna let this down, get y'all a sound test real quick. Yes, sir. CATLESS MIDS complete, man. They go to factory mid pipes. Big SRT, as y'all know. going down. Finna get y'all to start up. CATLESS HELLCAT, dog. Sound crazy, y'all know how we do it. Let's go, man. And that's it, dog. This I do stink, though. I can definitely tell on CATLESS. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Bro. Hey, yo! Bro, this car is dumb loud, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. Hey, I don't know if it's because the pipes are new. I don't know what it is, fam. Hold up, y'all. Hold on. So look, as y'all know, I had a 6.4 liter Scat. This HELLCAT CATLESS sound way louder. Like, just wait, bro. Just wait. See, I didn't got used to the quad cars, y'all. Well, I said cars with an S. I didn't got used to the quad car, man. Like now, oh my god. Hey, yo, they finna hate me out here, boy. This a manual too? It's over with, bro. It's over with. It's so over with, bro. I'm telling you, it's over with, man. Of course, no check engine light yet, but I'm pretty sure it'll pop on in like 7 to 10 days. But we are gonna tune the car, so I'm not really worried about that too much. Cause yeah, we finna be shooting flames on these boy, man. You know what I'm saying? But I'm waiting to do some other bolt-on mods before I get my tune. Cause it don't make sense to tune the car, then retune it, then retune it. That just don't make sense. So I'm trying to get all my bolt-ons first, then retune it. Hold on, y'all. I'm holding the camera and driving. Yes, sir, you too. We did it again, dog. Crazy. Crazy. Hold on, we're gonna let her sing. Oh, yeah. Bro, this joint sound dumb. Sound dumb, you feel me? Hold on, y'all. Let's slow it down. It's traffic. You can't even hear the whine no more, bro. Let's go. Let's go, man. Let's go. Hold on, I need to get over though. This is crazy, bro. I need to get some rolling clips, y'all. So that's my next thing. I'm gonna get somebody to record some outside clips because I don't even think y'all understand how loud this car is right now. Like, bro, it sounds louder than my Scat. Like, that's insane, bro. Insane. We got them CATLESS MIDS on this tank, man. You feel me? Back in the game. Yeah. Been a long time coming, man. This oh, listen to the box. Hold on, let me get y'all a little down shit. Yeah. I feel like, I ain't gonna lie, I feel like my Scat was a little bit deeper though. Like, this is more raspy. I think the quad tips affect the sound also. I'm happy that we back in the game. Y'all know we got a lot coming. If you ain't subscribed to the channel by this point, bro, I don't even know what to tell you. Like, you sleep. Like, I've been doing this, bro. Like, just go back and watch all the old videos, bro. We going crazy. And then I'm gonna let y'all see how we doing the cat, man. So, yeah. Alright, YouTube, so as y'all see, man, we got the CATLESS MIDS installed on the HELLCAT. Get in the comments and let me know what y'all think about the sound. I think the car sound crazy, bro. We got 2 wraps on the way. Car finna be way different from what it looked like in this video, so make sure y'all stay tuned to the channel. Click that like button, click that sub button, and cut on the post notifications, man, so y'all can know when I drop again. It's coming up to the end of this video, man. Keep God first, chase y'all dreams. I appreciate the support, man. SRTJD out.
Sliding it, V8 the motor.